Lesson: Principles of Decentralized Autonomous Organizations, DAOs. Decentralized autonomous organizations represent a transformative shift in the way organizations can operate, offering a decentralized governance framework that leverages blockchain technology to create more democratic, transparent, and efficient decision-making processes. DAOs are built on the principles of decentralization, transparency, and autonomy, allowing them to function without centralized control. This lesson explores these principles in depth, providing actionable insights, practical tools, and frameworks that professionals can implement to enhance their proficiency in governing blockchain ecosystems. DAOs are essentially internet-native organizations collectively owned and managed by their members. They operate on blockchain technology, which ensures that all actions and decisions are recorded on an immutable ledger, promoting transparency and accountability. The core of a DAO's functionality is its smart contract system, which automates processes and enforces rules without the need for human intervention. This automation reduces the potential for human error and bias, creating a more objective governance framework. One practical framework for understanding DAOs is the decentralized governance triangle, which encompasses three main components: code, community, and capital. This framework helps stakeholders evaluate the effectiveness of a DAO by examining how well these components are integrated and balanced. The code refers to the smart contracts that define the rules and operations of the DAO. The community comprises the individuals and entities participating in the DAO, contributing to its growth and governance. Capital refers to the resources, often in the form of cryptocurrencies, that support the DAO's operations. By evaluating these components, stakeholders can identify strengths and weaknesses in a DAO's governance structure and implement strategies to address any imbalances. A common challenge faced by DAOs is maintaining a balance between decentralization and efficiency. While decentralization enhances transparency and reduces centralized control, it can also lead to slower decision-making processes due to the need for consensus among participants. One tool to address this challenge is the implementation of a liquid democracy model, which combines direct and representative democracy. In this model, participants can either vote directly on proposals or delegate their voting power to a representative. This flexibility allows DAOs to maintain a high level of decentralization while streamlining decision-making processes when necessary. To illustrate the effectiveness of this model, consider the case of the DAO known as Aragon. Aragon provides a platform for creating and managing DAOs with a focus on decentralization and transparency. By implementing a liquid democracy model, Aragon has successfully enabled more efficient decision-making processes while maintaining an inclusive governance structure. This approach has allowed Aragon to scale effectively and manage a diverse range of projects within its ecosystem, demonstrating the practical benefits of this governance model. Another critical aspect of DAO governance is the management of treasury and financial resources. Given the decentralized nature of DAOs, traditional financial management practices may not apply. A practical tool for addressing this challenge is the use of multi-signature wallets, which require multiple approvals before transactions can be executed. This tool enhances security and ensures that financial decisions reflect the collective agreement of the community, reducing the risk of fraud or mismanagement. Multi-signature wallets are particularly useful in DAOs with large treasuries, as they provide an additional layer of protection against unauthorized access. The importance of community engagement cannot be overstated in the context of DAOs. Active and informed participation is crucial for the success of any decentralized organization. To foster community engagement, DAOs can implement a variety of communication and collaboration tools, such as forums, chat platforms, and regular meetings. These tools facilitate open dialogue, allowing members to share ideas, voice concerns, and collaboratively develop solutions. A case study highlighting the significance of community engagement is the DAO, MakerDAO, which has successfully leveraged community input to navigate complex governance challenges and maintain stability within its ecosystem. Despite the potential benefits of DAOs, they are not without risks and challenges. One significant challenge is the potential for governance attacks, where malicious actors exploit vulnerabilities in the DAO's governance model to seize control. To mitigate this risk, DAOs can implement guardrails, which are predefined rules and mechanisms that limit the power of any single entity within the organization. These guardrails can include measures such as quorum requirements for voting, time delays for the implementation of decisions, and the ability to reverse malicious transactions. By incorporating these mechanisms, DAOs can enhance their resilience against governance attacks and ensure the integrity of their operations. An emerging trend in the DAO ecosystem is the concept of progressive decentralization, where organizations start with a more centralized governance structure and gradually transition to a fully decentralized model. This approach allows organizations to build and test their governance frameworks in a controlled environment before expanding to a broader community. Progressive decentralization enables organizations to address initial challenges and iteratively improve their governance models, reducing the risk of failure during the transition to full decentralization. In conclusion, DAOs offer a revolutionary approach to organizational governance, leveraging blockchain technology to create transparent, efficient, and democratic decision-making processes. By understanding and applying the principles of decentralization, transparency, and autonomy, professionals can effectively navigate the challenges and opportunities presented by DAOs. The practical tools and frameworks discussed in this lesson, such as the decentralized governance triangle, liquid democracy, multi-signature wallets, and guardrails, provide actionable insights for enhancing DAO governance structures. As the DAO ecosystem continues to evolve, staying informed and adaptable will be crucial for professionals seeking to excel in blockchain governance and compliance. By embracing these innovative governance models, organizations can unlock new levels of efficiency and collaboration, paving the way for a more decentralized future.